The topic of today's video is how to create a Paysend account. Alright guys, so I'll try to guide you through this as best as I can. We're going to use the Paysend app for this, but it's pretty much the same on desktop as well. So obviously here on the app, we are going to click on sign up. And here on the sign up screen, we are going to be asked for our phone number. Now you can choose your country code on the left, and then you can input your phone number on the right hand side. Once you're done there, they are going to ask you for your confirmation code that they will SMS to you. And if you're using your phone, it should input it automatically, or you can check your SMSs. So I already have an account, so they're obviously just going to welcome me back. But the next part is pretty simple as well, as they will just ask you for your name, your age, and your email address, and they will also want to send a verification to your email address, which you will then input, and then they'll also ask you for your residential address. Once you've filled all those out, you are pretty much done. But what I want you to do is, while we are at it, let's go to the top right hand side of the screen on profile, and let's go to linked cards, and here you're going to click on add new. And from here, you can just put in your card number and your card expiration date. And it has to be, well, at least for my country, a MasterCard or Visa card. And then you can click add card. That way, when you do request payments, your card is already available and you don't have to input it. And that's all I have for you in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing as well. And I'll see you in the next video.